Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Budget Meal Friday. Because eating good shouldn't mean going broke. Today we're going to make a crescent roll taco bake. I'm going to do a skillet over medium-high heat. We're going to add 1 pound ground beef. We're going to cook it until there's no more pink. Now that the meat is cooked, we're going to cut off the heat. We're going to drain off some grease. I say some, I mean all. We're going to soak it all up in our paper towel. We're going to add in 1 packet of taco seasoning. Now that that's incorporated, we're going to take our 9x13 pan, a tube of Crescent rolls. We're going to spray our pan down with some cooking spray. And we're just going to roll the Crescent rolls out. Spoon over our ground beef. And we're going to sprinkle on about 2 cups of shredded cheese. And we're going to bake it in a preheated oven at 375 for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. Is it the best? No. It's alright though. If I did it again, might add some refried beans before I put the meat in. And maybe some sour cream. A little on the dry side. A lot of these recipes I do, well, most of these budget meal recipes I do it one time and one time only. That's when I'm recording it. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're meh. This happens to be a meh. But for $9, and it feeds, it says 4 to 6. We're going to go 4, with it being as puny as it is. So that's $2.25 a person. That's still not bad. I mean, it's going to feed you. You're going to be full. I mean, you know, for $2.25, it's not bad. Not in this economy. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.